Hey, it's Adam and Ashley with Grumpy Bee Honey. We out doing a couple of splits today, got lucky and found some swarm cells a couple of days ago when we were inspecting some hives. Didn't have video of that, but we gonna divide that into a couple of new hives potentially here. There are several swarm cells. We're gonna take a look at them, make sure they're capped and good to go, and get them in their new hives so they can hopefully make us 2 free new beehives. Kind of had a nice mix there with some brood and some young larvae, and then we had some capped or partially capped queen cells that were still, and hopefully these queen cells here have developed nicely and will be good to go, and we'll have a couple of splits easily made here hopefully. So I think there was 5 or 6 queen cells. Remember, right, the first one's coming up on that one. There's a couple on that one. Those really nice queen or swarm cells. That one at the top there is fully capped. So hopefully we got the next new generation queen in there. We've got a couple other here that are at least 1, 2 of those capped ones still open. Looks like they're pretty active though, and gonna be a good potential on a nice split. So we've kind of equalized resources here. They're gonna have some food in each of them, and some other resources and some brood. And we'll get them set here in some swarm style boxes. Don't want them too big to start so they don't have a huge space they have to take care of and defend. Hopefully we'll have a good update on them here sometime in the not so distant future. Brood frame. It's always nice when you catch those swarm cells or the queen cells before they swarm and you lose a bunch of bees and they start over. At least you can take some of them and make yourself another hive, a split here. In this case we're doing 2 splits.
There it is.
And you'll see right there's another really nice capped queen cell. Hopefully they'll work out, and here in a couple weeks we'll know whether or not we have good hatch and have good numbers of bees coming out. So just a pretty cool way to save yourself a little bit of money and make your own splits here without necessarily having to buy them. Of course, this doesn't work for everybody. Sometimes it is easier to get the package of bees, but that's what we like to do. Our own nukes if we can, and we'll see how these work out.